Hi, my name is Daniel Warrilow. I'm the Italian Portfolio Ambassador for Campari. I'm here to talk about Aperol and to make the Aperol Spritz. Aperol was created in 1919 by the Barbieri brothers in Padua, Italy for the Padua International Fair. In the 1950s, Aperol Spritz was created and it became popular with young adults. And today, the Aperol Spritz is the #1 selling cocktail in Italy. Partially because of its ease of use. It only takes 3 ingredients, simple to make, easy to make at home, and I'm sure you've got the ingredients. First, you need a wine glass, and then some wine. Next, we're going to take Prosecco. Prosecco first always. Carbonation helps keep it mixed. It's going to be equal parts Prosecco and Aperol. And then top it with soda water. The garnish, we're going to take a little orange slice, throw it right in the glass, and finish it off with a straw to enjoy the bittersweet taste of Aperol and the Aperol Spritz.